I want to share this stir-fried chicken with Asian pear recipe with you. Let's start to make sauce. Add soy sauce, lemon juice, vinegar, cooking wine, ground garlic, soybean paste, sugar, cornstarch into measuring cup. Then stir well. Spray oil on the pan, add pre-seasoned chicken, cook until golden brown. Then you add pre-peeled Asian pear into the pan, cook until golden brown. Then you add sauce into the pan. Sounds very yummy, right? Add pre-boiled veggies into the pan. Mix well. Looks yummy, right? Okay, it's done. Time to serve to your loved ones and family.